guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Today we'll be talking about and showing you some snippets from my recent Reiki session, and maybe it'll give you some ideas of the experience. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. In my last video, I explained what my experience was with Reiki, and in this video, I kind of want to do the same thing, but actually show you guys the actual experience as well. So here you can see I laid down on a massage table, and Valerie, my Reiki practitioner, starts up by my head, which is called the crown chakra. She begins by rubbing her hands together and then placing them on my head, and she stays there on my head for a decent amount of time because usually I hold a lot of stress in my upper chakras. Then she moved to my third eye chakra, which for me is my favorite because it clears out any clutter. Like, I honestly can think more clearly and see things more clearly. She then moves to my behind the ear chakra. I do have a chart that actually says that this chakra deals with people or situations from a past life influencing the present, causing a person to behave in an inappropriate way, which I thought was interesting because I never knew that. Like, she would always go to my ears, but I didn't know what it was for, so it was kind of cool learning that. And then she moves to the back of my head to finish off the chakras around my head. And then she moved to my throat chakra, which deals with communication and being able to speak your truth, which anybody that knows me knows I don't really have that hard of a time doing that. With the next, she moved to my heart chakra. The heart chakra deals with love, relating, respect, and creativity. And usually when I would go to my appointments, she would always feel, I guess, heat at my heart, and which was interesting because, like, we didn't really overly know why, but it actually moved the last time I went, I believe down to my solar plexus chakra, I believe, which is actually the next chakra is the solar plexus chakra, and that one deals with energy, control, and belief. She then moved to my sacral chakra that deals with creation and emotions. And I believe with the last two chakras that I just spoke about is where my body actually, I think, reacted positively. My body kind of like shook a little because it was releasing the energy that I basically don't need anymore, that I needed to let go of. Yeah, it was really cool actually. Then the next chakra is the base chakra that she moved to, which deals with survival and life. Then she moved to my knees that deals with prayer and asking angels for help. And then lastly, she moved to my feet chakra that is actually called the grounding chakra. This chakra deals with grounding oneself. So every time she moved to my feet, I always, honestly, without a doubt, felt grounded. It was very cool. And then after the feet, she then sweeps across me 3 times at the end to finish up. And then, yeah, her and I talked about how I felt and what I noticed during the session and like what she had noticed as well. And then I got ready to get up as her and I kept talking a little, and that was basically the session. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just a little idea of kind of what goes on in a Reiki session. I definitely love these Reiki sessions. They have helped me so much. Like, I feel so much calmer and relaxed and positive, more clear-headed. Like, it's definitely helped my anxiety and stress. It's like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders. If you do suffer from anxiety and stress, or even if you don't, like, and you want to give it a try, definitely give it a try. So with that being said, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe, and as well as the notification bell down below so you don't ever miss a new video. And if you like this video, check out other wellness videos here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You are loved and appreciated. Bye.